Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion ngayon itong post ni Major General Mike Lohico, ang immediate superior ni Colonel Audi Mongaw na ngayong lang umaga nag-withdraw na ng support kay Pangulong Marcos Jr. O ito, Mike Lohico. Major General siya. Siya ang commander ng training command ng Philippine Army. Colonel Mongaw is presently assigned with Training Command Philippine Army and is currently on New Year's break status. My command has exerted all efforts to reach out to him but has so far been unsuccessful. Effective last night, ito na, yung nag-trigger sa kanyang siguro pag-withdraw ng support. Effective last night, I have relieved him from his post as Commander Training Support Group and is now placed attached and assigned Office of the Commander Training Command. Investigation is underway to determine possible administrative and legal charges that may be imposed upon him in relation to his online statement. Nonetheless, we are still reaching out to Colonel Mongaw so that we may extend to him emotional support. Bakit emotional support? Anong klaseng suporta kasi itong first time kong nakanitong emotional support. He is still my responsibility. The Philippine Army remains professional and is steadfast behind our mandate, loyal to the Constitution and the chain of command. Major General Michael G. Lohico, Commander, Training Command, Philippine Army. So, yun nga. Na-relieve siya last night. I am not sure ano yung commander ng Training Support Command kung 1-star rank ba ito. I guess so dahil 2-star general ang 2-star general yung commander ng Training Command dahil isang group ito baka 1-star. Masakit nga naman kung 1-star rank ang posisyon ni Colonel Mongaw kasi last night lang siya na-relieve. Tinanggal siya sa kanyang posisyon. Baka nasaktan, baka hindi niya matanggap yung rason bakit siya na-relieve. Kaya ito, nag-withdraw na siya ng support. But nonetheless, napakalaking sakripisyo itong ginawa ni Colonel Mongaw na ito. I am not sure ano yung administrative and legal charges na pwedeng ipataw sa kanya. Okay, may nabasa akong Audi Arroyo. Sabi niya, he distanced himself from the chain of command out of fidelity to the principles he upholds. This was the most legitimate way to express his dissatisfaction with the commander-in-chief while preserving the integrity of the chain of command. Ito na. Such conduct does not constitute sedition nor does it amount to a criminal offense. At most, it may give rise to administrative liability or court-martial case. That said, a moral prudent course of action remained available to him. He could have formally resigned from his post and applied for early retirement. Thereafter, as a private citizen, he would have been free to speak openly against the Commander-in-Chief and key officials within the chain of command regarding acts of omissions in addressing widespread corruption. His actions do not amount to political partisanship. Rather, they reflect a gesture of profound distrust toward the highest level of leadership. Nevertheless, I salute him for his courage and for exemplifying the character his compatriots expect of him. Nag-reply itong si General Lohico. Sabi niya, he is a senior officer and he understands the consequences of his action. Yun. So, at least nagsalita na po ang AFP or Army specifically kasi nasa Army pa siya na yun pala, nirelieve siya sa kanyang command kasi commander siya, Training Support Command. Maalala ko tuloy nung na-assign ako sa Philippine Military Academy, merong 3 support group doon. Support group, 3 group. Support group, academic group, tactics group. Yan yung 3 malalaking grupo sa hierarchy ng PMA. Naging support group commander ako doon. Ang trabaho ng support group, you provide the facilities, lahat ng pangangailangan sa training ng buong command, ikaw ang bahala. Ako ang bahala nung nasa ako sa PMA. So, halos parehas itong trabaho ni Colonel Mungaw dahil siya ang commander ng training support group. So, I hope na ang position na ito is 1-star rank kasi kailangan din niyang ma-promote. Kung hindi ka makalagay kasi sa 1-star position, hindi ka ma-promote. So, tignan natin ano ang mangyari kay Colonel Mungaw itong susunod na mga araw at buwan. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel.